Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Today's video is about itch.io's bundle for racial justice and equality. It contains over 1,000 great games like Celeste and Nuclear Throne. It also contains a lot of game assets. You can get all of this for at least $5 before June 15th. Most importantly, all donations go toward the NAACP Legal Defense and Educational Fund and Community Bail Fund. I decided to showcase 3 highly valuable assets from this bundle by putting them together as a montage. I want to raise awareness for this bundle and to urge any game lovers or developers to take a look and donate. The first asset that I am using is Clean Cut Games Medieval Characters Pack that has 34 characters. At the end of the video, I'll be going over a script I use to animate over 500 of these animations using only 10. The second asset that I am using is Eder Muniz's Pixel Art Infinite Runner Pack, which has 8 gorgeous backgrounds. The last asset I am using is Tallbeard Studios Music Pack with 20 amazing songs. I hope you all enjoy the montage. If you're still here, I'll be going over how to set up a project like the montage super quickly. My script lets you animate over 500 animations using only 10. First, import the medieval characters pack into your project. What's really nice is that each of the characters have the same animation names, so we can use this to our advantage. Let's create a simple 4-frame idle animation and use this for all 34 characters. After this, we need to create a script to manage our animations. I decided to use enumerators because I could use them as a drop-down selection tool in this inspector. I have 3 enumerators so that we can choose the character, sex, and animation that we want. In the update function, we simply play the animation that we have chosen. The late update function is where the magic happens. Here we'll be swapping the sprite of the animation with the correct one. We do this by using a resources.load call and going into the right directory. Make sure that your assets are in a folder called resources. From the inspector, we can choose whatever options we want. As you can see, the idle animation we made earlier now works for all of the characters. Let's get the background set up as well. If you shift-click, you can select multiple things at once. But if we drag all of these sprites onto the scene, we'll create an animation, which is not what we want. Instead, you should hold the Alt key while dragging it into the scene. First, we'll organize these images under one object and set the correct layers on them. For example, Forest Layer 4 will have an order in layer of 4. Then, we'll set the character to have a high layer so that it appears on top. After some scaling and adjustments, we have a beautiful background. Do this for all 8 backgrounds, and let's take a look at how we can make a script to change backgrounds on the fly. As you can see, this script is very similar to the one we wrote for the animations. We are again taking advantage of enumerators. In the update function, we are simply finding the background we want and setting it active. With that, we are at the end of the video. Thank you everyone for watching. Let me know in the comments if this pushed you to purchase the bundle. I believe that it goes towards a great cause. Thanks again.